ഈഗിൾസ് വിങ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ FSO എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഡയറി ടെക്നോളജി ബേസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള MCQ ആണ് നോക്കുന്നത്. MCQൻ്റെ സെക്കൻഡ് പാർട്ടാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ. ഫസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ അതുകൂടി കാണുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, എഫക്റ്റ് ഓഫ് അഡീഷൻ ഓഫ് ഫാറ്റ് ഇൻ മിൽക്ക് ഓൺ സ്പെസിഫിക് ഗ്രാവിറ്റി. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ഇൻക്രീസ്, ബി ഡിക്രീസ്, സി ഇറഗുലർ, D no effect. Answer is option B decrease. Phosphatase test for standardized milk is option A positive, B negative, C neutral, D depend upon temperature. Answer is option B negative. Third question, maximum pesticide tolerance is for option A linden, B chlorine, C DDT, D phenithrothin. Answer is option C DDT. Fourth question, ratio of milk powder and water in recombined milk is option A 1:3, B 1:2, C 1:5, D 1:7. Answer is 1:7. Next question, in pasteurization and sterilization, which vitamin get lost? Option A and D, B B1 and C, C B2 and B12, C option D E and K. Answer is option B B1 and C. Yellow color of cow milk is due to the presence of option A fat, B casein, C lactochrome, D carotene. Answer is option D carotene. Option C lactochrome is the responsible agent for the color of skim milk. Skim milk has a bluish green color. Seventh question, surface tension of milk is 60, B 55, C 50, D 45. Answer is 45, option D. Milk acidity is option A 0.10%, 0.11%, 0.12%, 0.13%. Answer is 0.13%. Ninth question, albumin and globulin occur in milk in the state of option A colloidal suspension, B colloidal solution, C true solution, D none of the above. Answer is option B colloidal solution. 10th question, the curd tension of human milk is options 3.0, option B 0.0, C 55, D 14.5. Answer is option B 0.0. Next question, which of the following is not an essential fatty acid? Option A oleic acid, B linoleic acid, C linolenic acid, D arachidonic acid. Option C യിൽ spelling mistake ഉണ്ട്, linolenic acid എന്നാണ്. Answer is option A oleic acid. 12th question, which of the following has the smallest size of fat globules? Options A cow milk, B buffalo milk, C goat milk, D none of the above. Answer is option C goat milk. Acidity of milk is expressed as option A oleic acid, B lactic acid, C butyric acid, D citric acid. Answer is option B lactic acid. 14th question, which one of the following is the heaviest constituent of milk? Option A proteins, B lactose, C casein, D mineral salt. Answer is option D mineral salts. Next question, which one of the following contains the higher number of bacteria? Option A 4 milk, B middle milk, C stripping, D none of the above. Answer is option A 4 milk. Next question, Which one of the following contains highest percentage of fat? Option A, foremilk, B, middle milk, C, stripping, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, stripping. Next question. Which of the following contribute to the hardness of milk? Options: A, short chain saturated fatty acid, B, unsaturated fatty acid, C, long chain saturated fatty acid, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, long chain saturated fatty acids. Which one of the following contains the highest percentage of lactose? Option A, cow milk, B, buffalo milk, C, goat milk, D, human milk. Answer is option D, human milk. Next question. 1 liter cow milk provide how much calcium? Options: A, 1 gram, B, 2 gram, C, 3 gram, D, 0.05 gram. Answer option A, 1 gram. 20th question. Triglycerides of milk fat occur in option A, fat globules, B, milk serum, C, fat globules membrane, D, none of the above. Answer is fat globules, option A. Next question. Which one of the following is an unsaponificable constituents of milk fat? Option A, triglyceride, B, phospholipids, C, cholesterol, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, cholesterol. Cholesterol content in buffalo ghee is options: A, 330 milligram percentage, B, 275 milligram, C, 400 milligram, D, none of the above. Answer is 275 milligram, option B. Next question. Which one of the following is responsible for the characteristic pleasing flavor of ghee? Option A, lactic acid, B, butyric acid, C, lactones, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, lactones. 24th question. Which one of the following contains the lowest percentage of ash? Option A, cow milk, B, buffalo milk, C, goat milk, D, human milk. Answer is human milk, option D. Next question. Adequate heating of milk is indicated by option A, phosphatase test, B, Bowdoin test, C, Hansa test, D, alcohol test. Answer is phosphatase test, option A. 26th question. Which of the following organism produces red color in milk? Options: A, Bacillus cyanogenesis, B, Bacillus cinnatus, C, Serratia marcescens, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, Serratia marcescens. 27th question. The optimum temperature for storing ghee is options: 5 degrees Celsius, B, 7 degrees Celsius, C, 21 degrees Celsius, D, 17 degrees Celsius. Answer is option C, 21 degrees Celsius. Next question. The most sensitive method for detecting added water in milk is the determination of option A, specific gravity, B, refractive index, C, freezing point, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, freezing point. Next question. The optimum temperature for the weight ratio between lactose, total protein and ash contents of milk is Option A 9 is to 13 is to 2. B 13 is to 9 is to 2. C 13 is to 2 is to 9. D 9 is to 13 is to 2. Answer is 13 is to 9 is to 2. Option B. 13th question. Addition of cane sugar to milk can be detected by option A Hansa test, B Cotton test, C Holt's test, D none of the above. Answer is Cotton test. Option B. Next question. The amount of cream taken for fat test by Gerber's method. Option A 11 gram, B 10 gram, C 5 gram, D 20 gram. Answer option C 5 gram. 32nd question. If cream is removed from milk sample and water is added, thereafter the specific gravity of the sample will option A increase, B decrease, C will become normal, D none. Answer is will become normal. Option C. Next question. Boiling point of buffalo milk is option A 100 degrees Celsius, B 117 degrees Celsius, C 100.17 degrees Celsius, D 100.55 degrees Celsius. Answer is option D 100.55 degrees Celsius. Next question. There is no formation of cream when the following is allowed to stand overnight. Option A cow milk, B buffalo milk, C goat milk, D none of the above. Answer is option C goat milk. 35th question. Cow or buffalo body fat is called option A lard, B tallow, C pork, D none of the above. Answer is tallow. Option B. Next question. Presence of sesame oil in ghee can be detected by option A Bien-Koch test, B Bowdoin test, C Halfen's test, D Hansa test. Answer is Bowdoin test. Option B. 37th question. Presence of cottonseed oil in ghee is determined by option A Bien-Koch test, B Bowdoin test, C Halfen test, D Nickel test. Answer is option C Halfen's test. Next question. Addition of any vegetable oil or fat in ghee is determined by option A Nickel test, B Bowdoin test, C Boehmer's phytosterol test, D nitric acid test. Answer is option C Boehmer's phytosterol test. Next question. Dalda or Vanaspati adulteration in ghee is determined by option A Boehmer's phytosterol test, B Nickel test, C Holt's test, D nitric acid test. Answer is option B Nickel test. 14th question. Iodine value of ghee sample is the indication of option A saturation of fatty acid, B unsaturation of fatty acid, C average molecular weight of the fatty acid, D none of the above. Answer is unsaturation of fatty acid. Option B. Next question. Saponification value indicate option A average molecular weight of the fatty acid, B saturation of the fatty acid, C steam volatile water insoluble fatty acid, D none of the above. Answer is average molecular weight of fatty acid. Option A. Next question. Which of the following is not found in the adulterant fat? Option A, oleic acid, B, linolenic acid, C, butyric acid, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, butyric acid. Next question. Which of the following is not found in milk fat? Options A, butyric acid, C, caproic acid, C, oleic acid, D, cyclopropanoic acid. Answer is option D, cyclopropanoic acid. Next question. Cyclopropanoic acid is found in option A, milk fat, B, animal body fat, C, cottonseed oil, D, none of the above. Answer is cottonseed oil. Next question. Which of the following can reduce methylene blue to colorless? Option A, animal body fat, B, cottonseed oil, C, milk fat, D, none of the above. Answer is option B, cottonseed oil. 46th question. Which one of the following is a volumetric method for determining percentage fat in milk? Option A, Gerber's method, B, Werner-Schmidt's method, C, Adams-Pepper-Coyle method, D, Ross-Gottlieb method. Answer is Gerber's method. Option A. Next question. Which one of the following is a gravimetric method for determining fat in milk? Option A, Gerber's method, B, Werner-Schmidt method, C, Adams-Pepper-Coyle method, D, Ross-Gottlieb method. Answer is option D, Ross-Gottlieb method. Gerber's method is volumetric method and Ross-Gottlieb method is the gravimetric method. Next question. Which one of the following tests cannot be used for detection of adulteration of genuine ghee with animal body fat? Options: Valenta test, B, carbolic test, C, opacity test, D, Holder's test. Answer is option D, Holder's test. Next question. Which one of the following milk preservative is most suitable for fat test in milk? Options: A, formalin, B, potassium dichromate, C, hydrogen peroxide, D, none of the above. Answer is potassium dichromate, option B. Last question. The most accurate method of determining the specific gravity of milk is by option A, lactometer, B, RD bottle, C, Westphal balance, D, none of the above. Answer is option C, Westphal balance. ഇന്ന് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. അടുത്തൊരു സെറ്റുമായിട്ട് വീണ്ടും വരാം അടുത്ത ദിവസം. നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ദയവായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എൻ്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യണം. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ ടൈമിൽ തന്നെ കിട്ടത്തുള്ളൂ. താങ്ക് യു.